tweyongerayo ku internet emirongooti egamba side ya broadcasting ebya satellite TV, televisions eza bulijjo, mobile communications zoyogererako, so the whole engineering behind it I would say that I mastered that.
So katuleo ku mutendera gwa degree ng'omaze okugifuna wali ogenzeeko ko anywhere no practicing ekyo wasoma?
Yes.
Olekolako wa?
When I just finished my degree, shortly nga sinaba kufuluma campus, I was attending TV. Twalinga aba trainee, but we were to be retained. But then shortly after, nga nakamala okukola ebibuuzo, company bagita ZTE ekola emirongooti egimu gya MTN egya Airtel, ne bampa offer. So nakolerayo emyezi nga 8 ninzaala my first born. So ningenda mu bya maternity leave and all. Bwe naddamu okukola nenkolera power company ndala bagita Eton, era power empowering emirongooti. Bwe nali nkyakola ku Eton, taata wange nampa offer okukolera ku Salt.
Salt TV, Salt Radio.
Yes, Salt Media. So I resigned at Eton. Ningenda nenkolera Salt Media. So it is from Salt Media that I then went back for masters.
So Salt Media wakolera mu banki?
Kuva 2017 January mpaka 2019 February.
So bukyanga ova ku Salt Media bali tuddamu kufuna mu independent?
No, right now nkola Ministry of ICT and National Guidance. Nkola as an ICT infrastructure engineer.
Okay.
So nkolera government, I would say.
So mu kaseera kano tunoonya mulimu?
No. Mulimu gwe nina ngwagala nnyo. It's an oversight role kwegamba okola ebintu bano abalala bye bana implementing. So it's at a high level because only engineer wa gwanga. So whatever you decide up is what other people implement. So I really love my job.
So ani abadde supporting a masters eno branch eyimiriro today? Ani funder, financial sponsor?
Nze Katonda yampa ekirabo nina emikwano abanjagala genuine. Katonda yampa emikwano abanjagala. I would give the highlight to a few people. Temubamanyi naye ndaboogera kubanga be babaddewo. Nina mukwano gwange omuyita Mutesidi, omulala Grace, omulala bamuyita Gift Isubikala, omulala bamuyita Judith Nakalyanga. He's my best friend. Mumanyidde kuva 2005. So abo be badde support yange kubanga even while between 2019 when natandikira okusoma nali sina mulimu yeti. Guno omulimu nagufuna nga maze first year yange. Even when I got it, tegukola magic nti omufuna sente yange. So badde nina business ya spare naye be nali mpitamu at that time yali byetaaga sente nyingi okusingako kuze nali nkola at that time. So na financial challenges, but my friends were always there. Then of course my mom and her endless emotional support and prayers and all. Her friends, our family generally. I thank God. Like I've had so much support and I'm grateful.
So wetutunira support y'abazadde kiki tugambe nti abadde maama?
Nsobola ndowooza kiteeka bwe nti tozaalibwa ng'okuze, ozaalibwa ng'oli bebi n'okula mpola mpola. So bw'oba otandika okusoma tutandikira ku masters, otandikira mu nursery, primary, secondary, I am blessed that Katonda Badenga and Pamagezi at every level. I've always had sponsorships, primary, someone. I kept winning bursaries, secondary, I got some lady who sponsored me. Bachelor's, I was on government. Now, one day, financially, you can say that there's always been support here and there, but you cannot underlook like the other support that you got that was not money per se. Eyokukuza, eyokulabirira, eyokusabira. So both my parents have been through there. Kubanga sisose kusoma masters. Both my parents have always been there. So even yesterday, one day, in my speech, I thanked my father and I prayed blessings for him because he was there.
Taata yakubeererawo naye.
Maybe not in this masters, but he has always been there. And I had, like I said, taught masters. You have studied before, and he was always there. You might have some challenge now, or maybe he wasn't so present in my masters. But then I wouldn't have achieved masters. I had not achieved the other things. So I pray blessings for him, and I respect him. So I can generally tell you that my parents have always been there.
So mu kirabo kino ekya masters ky'owadde bazaddewo, taata yavuddeyo somehow kuwebaza?
Not yet, but I believe I have never. Or at least I'm sure I will know what it is. Deep down he's proud.
Before nga okyasooka okwogera ne taata wo, yali ayogeddeko ko in the future ng'ayagala obeere kino ky'oli?
Yes. He used to pray for it. Actually, yes, so much. I remember when I did my bachelor's, Awanze yange degree okay with the eyiyo ejja kuba ya bbaawo ate nje kubanja. So you always you speak into your child's life. You always say it that ejja kuba ya bbaawo ate nje kubanja. So he always said it that it would happen. Just like my mom, she always said that nze amagezi gange mwagatwala ate mujja bisoma ate tubisome. So yes, my parents have always spoken our lives.
Moment gy'obadde ng'osoma masters yo, obadde ofunamuko feeling ogamba nti kino kikolera taata, njagala kumakinga taata somehow proud because yali akiruubiriddeko nkifuna?
Yes.
Obadde omulowoozaako ng'ogisoma?
Yes.
Now that you
if I got a chance to, I'm going to share a photo of my acknowledgement book. Wanga wo oba wali otuwuliddeko nti akatabo ka masters oba alina akatabo after degree, any other studies after that, obutabwe. And at every level I've always acknowledged him. I think I'll show you a photo of my graduation book. He's acknowledged. He was always there in my mind, at least that that this would make him proud.
During ensi yasembayo okulaba mu mawulire nga byali bya busungu, buli omu asobola okukitegeera. Today tulaba nga ate omuntu ali calm, naddala message towards taatawo. To you, olinawo engeri gy'oyagala okubeera nga ebikadde bivaawo ng'ofuna essomero?
What do you mean ebikadde bivaawo?
Ebikadde nati ensi